Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own watermark for your fan edits or YouTube videos. So the app that you're going to need is Fonto, and it's really simple, guys. So all you need to do is click the little camera icon at the bottom, go to plain images, and then you're gonna want to go to the green screen one. I'm actually filming this on my iPad right now. And then you want to go down to the iPhone 8 Plus size. Not the iPhone SE, but the iPhone 8 Plus. The size should be 2208 times 1242. So then you just click here and go to use. Now you can download your own fonts if you want, which I made a video on how to do that. So good, check that out. So you can change it to the font of your choice. And I don't know which one I should do. These are the ones that I have on my iPad, but I have more on my phone. But I think I'm going to do the Cool Vetica RG regular one. And then just type in your channel name. Mine's obviously Cayla's Corner. Whoops. So then you would type in that. And then if you want to, you can go to Style and change the shadow to the one that you want. I really like the 13 size, well, number 1. And then you can curve it if you want, but I like to just keep it there. And then you can click the size and make it bigger or smaller. And I would put mine in the corner, but you can put it on the side. You can put it anywhere you want. So then that way, no one can steal your edits. And then you just go and save it as an image or PNG. And then you just edit in as a green screen. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't know when, but sometime soon I will be showing you guys how to use Fonto and iMovie. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Peace out. Love you all so much. And bye.